Today we will be going from Jammu to Chandigarh, that too in CTU. So as of now, we just took Paratha. Welcome to Chandigarh. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my last video. Today it's second episode of Kashmir to Kanyakumari in RTC. So today we will be going from Jammu to Chandigarh, that too in CTU. CTU is a Chandigarh transport undertaking. So they operate their 2x3 AC buses on this route. So I thought I should cover this. So you can see there is Jammu railway station, and from there I will be taking a city bus, and then I will be reaching to bus stand. So yeah. Journey will be too much good. I will be giving you all the information about the ticket, about the fare, about the comfort, amenities, everything. So yeah, let's start the video. So first of all, let's talk about the bus. Our bus will be at 8:50, and as of now it is around 8:15. So I just need to reach bus stand ASAP. Also, let's talk about Jammu. So Jammu is a very good place. I will say I came here 2-3 times, and yeah, everything was good enough. Also, it's famous for Rajma Chawal. So if you are coming here, so you may taste it for sure. Also, in Jammu there are 2-3 languages which is commonly used. So one is Dogri, another is Kashmiri, and the third one is Urdu, and last one is Hindi. So that's the thing. Anyways, for now let me reach the bus stand, and then I will be showing you the bus and everything. Keep watching. As of now, I am at the Jammu bus stand. Although the bus came outside bus stand, so you can see here is the bus. Bus stand is there, but they said that they don't get passenger inside the bus stand. They get the passenger mostly outside the bus stand. So you can see here is our bus. Here is written Chandigarh Sector 43. Also here is JKRTCs, which I have covered earlier. You can see there is a badging route board that is Chandigarh, and it's showing all the details about the via routes. Also you can see from here CTU badging, although I am having a bit less space. And you can see from backside as well Tata badging, and yeah, all the things are here. I guess I need to go inside because here is jam. So let me show you the interior. You can see here is the interior. It's 2x3 configuration, so you can see 2 and 3. Although these seats are normal, not pushback. So yeah, this is the thing. These normal seats are good for keeping the fare normal, because if they keep it 2x2 and pushback, then fare will be a bit high. So that's the thing. Anyways, you can see here everything is there, AC and all the things. So it won't be a problem for you. For now, let's depart towards Chandigarh. So as of now, we have departed from Jammu. Just for correction, I am telling you, this bus is not coming from Katra. It started from Jammu only. I just got confused by like checking the route board. They said that they have a mixed route board, so that's their point of view. Also, quickly let's talk about our route. The route is Jammu to Chandigarh. We will be going via Vijaypur, then Lakhanpur border, that is Punjab Jammu border, then we'll be going to Pathankot, then we'll be going to Hoshiarpur, then Ropar, and then we'll be going to Mohali, and then ISBT 43. So I just took a list from staff so that I can explain you better. So that's the thing. Although we will be getting many small cities in between, so I can't name them all now. So that's the thing. Also, you can see interior is too much good. Like 2x3 is my favorite interior because it's economic as well and comfortable as well. We will be getting AC in summer season if you are traveling. So that will be a good thing. Although in winters AC is not too much required, but still heater is required or a pack glass is required. So that's the thing. Also, you get a USB Type A charging point. So if you want to charge your phone, you can. Although if you are using iPhone or Samsung, then you need to carry a separate cable because they give you Type C cable. So that's the thing. Anyways, let me show you a bit cabin ride. Keep watching. So as of now, we just took a 15 minutes halt for using the washrooms and also for breakfast. So it is around 11 a.m. as of now. Here is our bus of CTU, that is Chandigarh Transport Undertaking. Although it's not a RTC, it comes under central government, but still it's a government bus, so I need to cover it. Also here is Sada Chula, so this is a rest stop. I guess I came here earlier also in Lakshmi Holidays. I am not sure, but yeah, I came maybe. Quickly, let's talk about the fare. Fare which I have paid is around 670 rupees. I use CTU Musafir app for booking the ticket. If you use the Redbus app, then it may cost you around 715 rupees. So that's the thing. Also, the staff is too much good. I will say staff is perfect, like 100%, 10 on 10 type of staff. That's the thing. Okay, for now I will be having something here, whatever is good here. So yeah, let me have some breakfast and then I will talk to you. Keep watching. So as of now, we just took paratha. So paratha is famous for Punjab. So yeah, I want to eat it and let me finish it and then I will talk to you. So as of now, I am done with my breakfast. I just took paratha and it's too much heavy, I will say, but still it was tasty and yeah, the stop is good enough. All the washrooms are okay. I just had food with the staff, so I have not paid for it, of course. One thing I should inform you that my old SIM is again working because I have just crossed J&K border. So now it's in Punjab, so old SIM is working. And the SIM which I took in J&K, that's now not working. So that's the thing. Anyways, for now, let's continue the journey. You can see bus is ready for departing. So yeah, keep watching. So as of now, we are in Hoshiarpur. Time is around 1:35. So in Hoshiarpur, you can see here is a bus stand. Mainly private buses are there. You can see there is Panbus as well, and here are many private buses. PRTC, also HRTC, and here is our CTU. There is platform 1, so you can see AC Chandigarh Delhi. So you will get Chandigarh Delhi buses here only. Hoshiarpur is also called as a land of sons. Because many Sant Gurus are from here only, so that's why it's called like that. In Cabinet, I have already shown you that in Hoshiarpur or local area, mainly sugarcane cropping is done. So mainly sugarcane is here. Like in Jammu in morning, it was rice and wheat mainly, but here mainly sugarcane is there. Anyways, for now, let's continue our journey. I will talk to you more wherever we go. So yeah, keep watching. So as of now, it is around 5:15, and welcome to Chandigarh. We are at Chandigarh Sector 43 ISBT. So you can see here is the ISBT. Just telling you, for all the routes of Punjab and Himachal, you will be getting buses from here only. Also from for Jammu also. So that's the thing. There is also CTU non-AC 2x3 bus. So this is also in the fleet of CTU. Although this is BS4, but I guess around 7 days ago, CTU just took, I guess, some 10 or 15 BS6 buses as well, or non-AC 2x3. Also, you can see here is RSRTC as well. Maybe in some other series or another videos, I will cover it. Also, I was telling you one thing that this bus is not via Jalandhar. This bus is via Hoshiarpur, so it takes us around 30 minutes extra. So that's the thing. Although it was showing that the arrival time of bus is around 6:30 here in ISBT sector 43, but it dropped us at around 5:15. So that's a good thing. I guess they need to correct it online because the staff told me that normal timing is 5. So maybe some glitch or something is there. For now, we have covered around 580 kilometers from Srinagar to Chandigarh, and today we have covered around 370 kilometers. So that's the information about the route. So yeah, you should stay tuned in this series because I will be bringing back-to-back episodes for you, which you will enjoy definitely. Also, for now, we will be ending the video. I need your support to make good videos. So yeah, do support me. Also, let me know in comments that what I can make better. So yeah, for now, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget one thing, that Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is one. So yeah, for now, goodbye.